Oh yeah, we're going 3 ingredients, 1 pan, takes about 5 minutes, and we are gonna have a meal that feels like you're eating it at the beach. And no, it's not seafood. That's right. Let's go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is heat up the pan. As I said, it's 1 pan, 3 ingredients, and we are going non-seafood. Everyone keeps saying, Ryan, you keep doing seafood, you keep doing seafood. I don't just have seafood, I have other things. So we're going with the protein. But first, we're going to build the base. So I have the pan going and a little bit of olive oil. Because this meal doesn't have a ton of color, what I'm going to do is use as our base riced broccoli. You can always take broccoli stalks and rice them up. We're using riced broccoli. Now, I get these frozen and they come in a big chunk. So I'm going to show you how we break it down simple. I just got one of these little mallet thingies I got on Amazon. Link below. And just kind of pound. Now, for me, for one meal, I usually have about half a bag. So I'm just going to rip this open. And the pan is nice and hot now. And all I do is dump in about, say, half a bag. Again, this is going in frozen. I like frozen vegetables. They're convenient. They're picked right when they're harvested. And you can stock up in your freezer and have them if you've been watching, you know that I love riced broccoli or riced cauliflower, a combination as the face for most of my meals. Now, ingredient number 2, we're going chicken. Now, of course, if you can get organic chicken that you went to the farm and hit the chickens up, that's the best. If not, further down the list, look, it's not the worst thing in the world. Get some canned chicken. So I've got a can of chicken here. So the rice broccoli's been cooking for about 2 minutes, which means it's almost ready. So all I'm gonna do is dump the can of chicken in there. I already drained it. It's already starting to come together. For Ryan, you said it's gonna be tropical. Let's go to the tropics. Nothing says beach resort and playing some Jimmy Buffett as coconut. So stock up on some shredded coconut. This is just, I got this from a local supermarket, shredded coconut. And all you're gonna do is add it to the pan. This is when you get as coconutty as you want. I don't know, it could be a quarter cup, a half a cup. There's no right or wrong. If you like it more coconutty, go crazy. If you like it less coconutty, have less coconut. But that's it. Like, we are almost done. So we've got all the nutrients from the riced broccoli or the riced cauliflower or the combination. You've got the protein of the chicken. This can of chicken has about 22 grams of protein, which is good. Protein is going to keep you strong, keep you full for a while. And then we've got all those really good, healthy fats from the coconut. And the coconut just gives it that nice tropical flavor. And that's it. We just take it. Oops. Drop it onto the spoon. And there you go. In 5 minutes, smells delicious. You've got the broccoli, the chicken. Again, I use canned chicken. You could use rotisserie chicken or pulled chicken, or you can make chicken breast, but we're talking quick meals and the shredded coconut. And together, it really does taste beachy. Now, if you want to make it snacky, I like these chips. They're not a sponsor, but I like these avocado oil potato chips, because it's only potatoes and avocado oil. Or if you do, because when you're at the beach, let's face it, right, or the pool or a resort, you want some chips with the meal. It's okay. So you can take said chip, and you've got the chicken, the shredded coconut, the broccoli in one portable meal delivery system. That's good. And speaking of good, if you have not yet received my 1-page journal, my 5-button daily reset, just write the number 5 below and I'll send this to you. Thousands of people are doing it and they're feeling good. Just write the number 5 below and it's yours. And don't forget to like and subscribe because we are just getting warmed up. I'll see you in the next video.